Have you ever wondered how eco-friendly bamboo shopping bags are made? Let's explore the fascinating process behind these sustainable, everyday products. Everything starts with carefully selected mature bamboo, usually 3 to 5 years old. At this stage, the bamboo has a high fiber density, making it strong and durable. After harvesting, the bamboo is thoroughly washed with high-pressure water to remove dirt, mud, and natural wax before being cut into standard-sized pieces. The bamboo is then shredded into thin strips and transferred for steaming. The strips are soaked in hot water at around 90 degrees Celsius for about 2 hours. This softens the fibers and prepares them for the degumming process, where lignin and other impurities are removed while preserving the strong bamboo cellulose. After several washing and pH balancing steps, the bamboo is pressed, dried, and processed through combing machines that separate it into fine, uniform fibers. Any remaining solid particles are filtered out, leaving only high-quality bamboo fibers. Next, the fibers are fed through a hot rolling machine. High-temperature steel rollers bond the fibers together, forming a durable, non-woven bamboo fabric without the need for traditional weaving. Large rolls of this fabric are then sent to an automated production line where they are printed, cut, folded, sewn, and fitted with sturdy handles according to customer specifications. Finally, the finished bags are cleaned, folded, packaged, and shipped to stores, ready to become the reusable shopping bags we use every day. From a simple bamboo stalk to a durable, eco-friendly shopping bag, every step is designed to reduce waste and support a more sustainable future. If you enjoyed learning about this amazing manufacturing process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more fascinating factory tours and production stories. Let us know in the comments what manufacturing process you'd like to see next.